Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Roblox Procedural Model Attributes. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and use Procedural Model Attributes. So firstly, you want to open the Roblox Studio application, go to the File tab, and then simply go ahead and head into Better Features and enable Edit Time Procedural Methods. Then you want to simply insert a procedural model object from a Create tab into the workspace. Then you can simply go ahead and click on Create a Model Script and simply go ahead and define your attributes on the onGenerate function. Within the model script, define an attribute map. These are the parameters that, when changed, triggers a regeneration. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.